What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Dad. And today we are in Monkey. I've seen these videos before. We are going to act like we are going on live and see the people's reactions. So let's lock in, chat. Let's lock in. That's good, bro.
Let me see. That
Yo, what's good?
Hi.
How you doing today?
I'm good.
Can I see you? I'm confused. I can't get the full like. Okay. Are you a female?
Yes.
You're giving me sketchy vibes. Can't get you feel me?
Yes.
Can you turn on the light?
Allegedly, I don't want to because I am literally so.
What? Oh my goodness. What the fuck are you doing, my baby? What you just say? Why you don't want to turn on the light?
Nothing. I was joking.
Okay. I get you.
Because it's too far for me to go.
It is?
It's literally so far.
Ah, it's so far. I wanna see you like this view. I see you like you are.
Why?
I see like a female.
You want me?
I wanna see you then. Can you?
It looks so ugly.
You're not ugly. I can see something, but not clear. Can see the vision. If you was ugly, I could skip.
You look like.
I look like.
You look like somebody who wants me. Because.
Yeah, I wanna see you then. Show me you.
Ooh.
I wanna see you.
How old are you?
What?
How old are you?
How about you? Well, tell me first. Tell me you. What's yours?
How old are you?
21.
I'm 22.
What's good? Where you from?
Ohio.
You look good. I like you. Can you see you? Can I see your face? Damn. You look good. Are you a thief by any chance?
Uh-huh.
Are you a thief by any chance?
A thief.
Yeah, cause you stole my heart. I cooked?
No.
Damn. I'm sorry for that. I'm sorry. But you look good. Just know that. You look fine.
Thank you.
I did like your color, everything. Like the way you put
My
yourself.
color.
Yeah?
My color.
Yeah. Like everything in you is. Can you do this?
How old are you? You said you're 21.
21, you got 22. That's a good.
No, you don't look 21.
How would you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
You said what?
I said, how would you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
Right now it's 6.
Damn.
But the number can go up
How? How can I boost that?
by me seeing all of you.
What? I'm missing?
I said by me seeing all of you.
What am I missing?
I said by me seeing all of you, your number might go up.
Okay. Don't say that then. So what do you do for a living?
I don't work.
You do work? Like 9 to 5? What do you do?
I stay at home.
What kind of work you stay home? Are you a...
I don't work.
Like, you want me to let you on a scale of 1 to 10? I'ma be honest. You are a 9.
A 9.
Yeah.
No.
You don't think about... You don't appreciate yourself?
What?
Why don't you accept that? You have to accept it. Oh, okay.
The number should have been a 13. That's what the number should have been.
Yeah. Okay. I have to. You have to do some stuff to make it 13, 15. You know what?
Now you a 3.
I'm 3. Damn. So because of that, you're also a 9. You're still gonna be above 9. I'm not gonna disrespect you because you look good. That's not gonna happen to me. Can I get your Instagram?
No.
Damn. That was quick.
Because I don't be on socials.
You don't be on social media?
Nope.
How do you live your life then?
How do I live my life?
How do you enjoy living? Like social media is like everything right now. What are you
doing?
So Monkey is not social media to you?
No, because, you can't contact me. I mean, you can contact me on here, but I don't be on here.
Okay, so like you have fun and you live your life. That's fine. I can understand that because I have some friends who are not in social media either. But to me, social media is everything. Like I can die of TikTok. So that's all. But I like your vibe.
You like my vibe?
I like your vibe. You're kind of chill.
You like vibes and colors and.
You're laughing. Can I see you like how you look?
I'm right here.
Like this, your body?
Maybe.
Okay. I can see.
Maybe it's a no or it's a yes. I don't know yet.
So how long it will take you to think about that?
That depends on you.
What am I supposed to do?
If you don't know, I don't know.
I just wanna see you. I wanna you see I said 9 because I didn't see you how you look like.
I don't care if you said 2.
Damn. Why you change the voice then? You could just keep it cool. Do you have a boyfriend?
Single. Yeah.
How you're single like that? In the place?
I
Yeah?
was dating a little bitch, and then I broke up with him.
Oh, okay. So you're going through a breakup?
No, it already happened. I broke up with his bitch ass.
You was with a bitch? Like a woman?
No, I said his bitch ass. Yes.
What did bro do then?
You talking about the bitch ass nigga?
You just hate that
That's
nigga.
him.
You just hate.
That's what he is, a bitch ass nigga.
Damn, you're not supposed to do him like that. You have to respect your ex.
That's what he is.
You have to just like forget, like you have to be cool with it.
Huh?
Yeah. That's how it's supposed to
What?
be. You just have to be like nonchalant. You go on with your business. You forget what happened.
I mean, I can forget about him, but he's still a bitch ass nigga.
He might have done something. It's little hard, right? So can I see you then?
Can I see you?
Yeah. You can see me.
Okay then.
You see me. That's your time.
No.
Damn. What?
No.
Why?
No.
What did I do? What did I do? Tell me. I have to improve. Like, what's wrong with me? Hello? Hello? Fuck you, nigga! What you doing in your life, bro? Damn, bro, come on. You kill people, goddamn.